Good morning, everyone. How you guys all doing? I have to run to the store right quick and pick up a few things we need, like yautía, plátano, green bananas, and so on and so forth. We're going to be making pasteles. Yep, it's the season. This is it. So I'm going to run to the store, pick that up, and come back and go upstairs and start getting busy. So yeah, let's go to Western Beef right quick. That's what we're heading to right now. Yautía white, $1.49 a pound. Some of the things we need right here. Let me pull the hubby right quick. Made it back. Just check the mail right quick. I know, awkward. I have the lanyard around my neck, so it makes it a little hard. Yeah, sometimes I feel I'm gonna strangle myself with this lanyard. On accident. I'll never do anything like that on purpose. Oh, these bags are heavy. And here we are. Go inside. Get comfortable. And then start the process of the pasteles. I'm in the house. I'm gonna get comfortable. See you guys in a second, okay? Okay, first step is, what are these, honey? The plantains for both sides. Back and front like that. Let me show you one more time. Put them in the water. Show them again. There you go. Off with the head. Off with the bottom. Score the inside.
Don't go in too deep because
don't go in too deep.
You break the banana, cut the banana.
There you go.
Deep.
These bunches, beautiful bunches of bananas.
He's Italian.
Yeah. I got some good ones, huh?
They look like plantains, that's
right?
why.
Yeah. You picked up some nice ones, right?
Yeah, these are good ones. The bigger, the merrier.
Bigger the better, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
And you know what? I forgot to do. I forgot to turn on the light. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. So this, the holidays are upon us so quickly, right? Yeah. Seems like yesterday was summer.
Yeah, it's summer.
Well, the weather's still crazy, still warm out.
Nice. I don't think there's no more winter like it used to be.
No, not like we used to have. No.
It'd be snowing by now.
Snowstorms and everything, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be snowing by now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanksgiving, plenty of time snow.
Yeah. So beautiful.
Oops.
Everything white.
I'm speeding.
Looks so clean and beautiful. So we start walking on the snow and driving on it. And then it gets dirty and ugly. And once you walk in the snow, it gets dirty and ugly, and it's like, ugh. But when the first snowfall, so beautiful. And so clean, yeah. Pristine.
Two to go.
How many you done so far, honey?
I ain't counting, but I know I got two left. That I can tell you.
Okay. While he's doing that, I had to bring him the plantains. Well, these are plantains. Hold on. Whoa. Hello. Yeah. Longer and thicker. This one. There goes the other. There you go, honey. Those are enormous, right? Yeah. Nice.
These are hard.
2 plantains. Yeah. Plantains usually are. Big boys.
I'm nice though, so.
Yes, you are. And here we have our chicken. We do not eat pork, so we do chicken. Olives. The annatto seeds. The paper. The string. And this is yautía. It's a root vegetable. Okay, in this pot here, I'm going to start the achote. I'm going to make it in olive oil. So, hold on one sec. Okay, so I had to open the achote, the annatto seeds. Had to break off the seal and everything. And what we do is we put the achote down in there. Okay, now that we have the annatto seeds in there, we'll take the olive oil and start pouring it. And so now we have the annatto seeds in there, the achote, the aceite de oliva, olive oil. Like I said, fuego lento. Look how low that is. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Prepping these bad boys. I love when it starts cooking. It smells so good in here. Okay, now hubby's gonna cut up the chicken in like little cubes, right, hon?
Yes.
And then season it up.
I need the
seasonings. And season it, and then we're gonna stick it in the pot to cook.
make sure I clean all these little things off.
Clean up that chicken. Cut off the fat. We don't need
The belly got fat, but it comes right out. You see?
I got a pretty good pack, right?
Yeah, you gotta go. You see, it comes right out.
Mm-hmm. Thick pieces of meat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Chicken is so much healthier. I think it tastes better to me. I don't know.
It is better than pork, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Pork after a while.
No offense to anyone that eats pork, sorry.
Pork, it just getting
no.
older, and
and
I think it's time to be
let
easy
go
on
of
it.
stuff that's not too healthy
for you,
and not too good for you, right?
That's all. That's all it is.
Yeah.
No offense to nobody.
We'll come back when it's all cut up. Tomato sauce on deck, going in. There you go. Okay, got the tomato sauce in there. Oh, I heard an ancestor. Or was that you? Oh. It's some adobo. I'm waiting till the ancestors say something to me.
Okay, that's good.
Ah, okay. Oregano. I love oregano. I heard an ancestor. Or was that you? Oh. And some adobo. I'm waiting till the ancestors say something to me.
Okay, that's good.
Ah, okay. Oregano. I love oregano.
Okay, babe.
A little sazon.
You gotta go easy.
Yeah.
All right, babe. Put some in the masa.
Yes, dear. Okay, so, excuse me. I have to peel and cut up this yautía. It's a pretty piece right here. Okay. Smells so good. Yeah, in Puerto Rico, a lot of the cooking is done with root vegetables. All kinds of vegetables, but especially root vegetables. Healthy and delicious. As far back in time with my people. growing our foods, the way we grew it, the way we cooked it, prepared it. As far back in time with my people, growing our foods, the way we grew it, the way we cooked it, prepared it. It's one of the many things I'm proud of, our people. The way we grew our fruits and vegetables, harvested, prepared and cooked everything. Always with a lot of love. I believe Christopher Columbus wrote about that in his blogs. How my people were. It smells so good. Wow. And this is nothing. Oh, it's cooking. That's the business right there. Okay, I gotta cut this piece off.
How you coming along with that? Is it hard?
No, actually, it's really good. So far, so good. Cut off this end also.
It's difficult to peel that.
Well, I guess. Unless you're used to it. First time I started cleaning and peeling and cooking root vegetables, I was very young. Very young. And there you go. I was very young. Very young. And there you go. Okay, now we have to cut up the yautia. It's too thin, but it's okay. Oh, a little noisy, huh? Now he's adding the cut up pieces of chicken. Oh wow. And it's the guisao when it's in sauce like that. And the people out there watching, they're like, I know. Well, I know you know. But, you know, just explaining the steps. My people, we know you know. Okay?
Okay, por ahora.
My people, I know you're looking and saying, hey, he didn't season the meat. I put a lot of seasonings in there. I know you were watching. You don't want to put in too much seasonings or it'll be salty. Remember that. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm feeding the yautia into the food processor. And it's really noisy. So I'm going to spare you guys. And I'll come back when it's all nicely done, okay? And there you go. Beautiful, flavorful masa. Olives. Stewed chicken. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzos. Oh, that masa, it's gorgeous. Yes. My husband's going to be assembling the pasteles. That was the achote, that dark liquid juice was actually in oil. Annatto seeds in olive oil. Oh yeah, see, he had already started. So in the next one, he'll start from the beginning. But for now, you can see the folding of the paper. It's a little process. It's nice. I love a man who can cook, I'm telling you. Awesome. That goes the first. Now, lay the paper down. You lay down the annatto's oil, the annatto seeds in olive oil. You spread it out on the paper, like so. The back of the spoon, that's how he does it. That's how most people do it, actually. The masa, I believe he'll take 2 spoonfuls of masa. If I'm not mistaken, yes. Spread that out. And I'm sorry this video is coming up late. I just didn't have the time. And now the meat over the masa with some of the juices of the meat. Oh, so good. It's stewed chicken, so it smells amazing right now. Oh. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzos. Los garbanzos. Some olives of pimento. And there you go. Now he's going to start the folding of the paper. My husband can do this in his sleep, as can I. As can I. I learned how to cook very young. And my husband's a fast learner, so. And there you go. Now, that's a double. It's 2 pasteles, that's a double. Now he's going to take with the butcher's twine, and he's going to wrap them. He's going to wrap them together. See how he's doing that? Boom, there you go. See? Nice. Yeah, I believe we're going to make our coquito pretty soon. Let's see. Yeah, it smells amazing. All this is getting done. Oh, yeah. Gotta love the holidays. So, yeah, I'm sorry, guys. It's just that I was doing so much. I didn't get a chance till now. So, yeah, we made over 100 pasteles. Most of them were chicken, and then we had some requests for pork. So, yeah. You have to separate them, excuse me, when you have orders like that. So, yeah, over 100 pasteles we made. Awesome. And delicious. Well, that's it. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. We made our pasteles. The reason why I had to voice over some of the videos because my husband turned on the radio. Yeah, the music and everything, so that's why I had to do a voiceover. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell, and share if you like. Until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.